coffee. I hope you enjoyed that B-roll. You know, I'm trying to make my vlogs different and just, yeah, try to be creative. Thanks to my amazing editor. Anyway, let's get into today's vlog. Today's vlog is going to be about money, alright? And ways not to get tricked, because there's something happening here in Hargeisa, Somaliland especially, that basically you guys need to understand. Like, trust me, you need to know, because you're coming from abroad, or even some of you who live here. Like, I didn't understand it until very late basically. So yeah, don't get tricked by this, and yeah, let's get into this vlog. So guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Khalid Osman. Hope you guys are having a beautiful morning, because I'm having a beautiful morning. Listen guys, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you hit that notification button. The reason why is because if you want to know more about Somaliland and what there is to do here, things to see, tips and tricks of the country, and yeah, so make sure you just subscribe so you know what's coming next. Alright, so now we're going to be talking about money. Point number one, alright, which is the exchange rate. So let's go into my phone right now, facial recognition right there. Bank of Somaliland. So basically I get these messages nearly, like, I don't even know. Wait, this was, look, Wednesday, July the 3rd, Monday, July the 1st, June 30th, like every 2 days or something, every day. No, every 2 days, every day sometimes I get a message from the bank telling me the exchange rate. Anyway, so let me tell you, on July the 3rd, Wednesday, the buying rate for $1 equals 8,350 Somaliland shillings, okay? And the selling rate for $1 equals 8,400 Somaliland shillings. Now, that was the July the 3rd. Now, let's just go, the latest message I have here is June the 22nd, Saturday, June 22nd, $1 buying equals 8,300, and selling $1 equals 8,350 Somaliland shillings. If you understand that, that's good. I'm not money guy, I don't understand that. All I know is I go with the last number, 8,350, or today it's 8,400. So that's what equals to $1 right now in Somaliland. Alright, so that's point one. Just keep that in your head. Alright guys, so we are outside right now. Thought I'll switch it up for you guys. So one thing I have to tell you now, point number two. Alright guys, you need to know this so they don't fool you. Alright, so most hotels, like the big hotels, I know of 3 big hotels that they charge you at the rate of 9,000 shillings to $1. Okay, remember it should be 8,450 or 8,400, but of course because of fluctuation and stuff they can't keep changing, so they just charge you at a standard rate at 9,000 to $1. Understandable. All right, now the second thing you need to know about rates is going to be, there's some places, all right, not too many, but some places charge you at the right rate. So they'll just be like, oh, they'll say to you, oh, so your Coke was like, a Coke or Fanta was like $2. Let's say it's not $2, okay, it's actually $1. So then they'll tell you, okay, then you'll just ask them like, what's the rate? And then they'll be like, oh, 8.4. So they do it at the bank rate. So whatever you get on the bank, that's what they do it for. All right guys, now you have some people, not gonna name the places because I don't want to, you know, shame them, but some places are charging at 10,000 shillings to $1. Okay, they're keeping the same rate as it was like 4, 5, 6 months ago. All right, as you know, the rate now today, which is the 10th of July, it's at $1 equals 8,400 shillings. All right, but they're doing at 10,000 shillings. So that's why I just wanted to tell you quick. So just remember that, yeah. So next thing I want to tell you guys, all right, about don't get tricked in Somaliland, okay, is the rates. All right, so let me tell you, let me break it down for you in dirhams, because I'm from the UAE, and in British pounds, because I'm from Manchester and you're my biggest supporters. So shout out to everyone in the UK and actually everyone in Somalia, USA, then Canada, then Sweden. Those are like in order of my biggest followers. Anyway, $1 right now is at 3.6 dirhams. All right, so that's about like 3 Cokes. $1, all right. British pounds or sterling, British sterling is at 0.79, so that's 79p. So that's not even a Coca-Cola in UK. All right, a dollar. $15 is at 55 dirhams, okay, and 11 pounds. That's $15, all right, at the currency rate now. $20 equals 73.4 dirhams and 15 Great British pounds, all right, sterling. So yeah, guys, by the way, if you're finding these information useful, make sure you share it with people, but also make sure you hit that like button. Let me know you guys like it. Comment below which one you think was the most useful point. Let's try to smash 300 likes, all right, guys? So let's go on to the next point. Alrighty, so we're back. I'm sat down, you know, I have to sit down, you know, because I need to speak to you guys one-to-one, sit down position. All right, guys, so basically this point is very important. I'm gonna break it down for you even more, what it means, how much you're paying different and things like that. So let's take most big hotels, all right? Right now they charge you at 9,000. Okay, what does that mean? Let me break that down for you. So if you're going for a meal, okay, now a meal obviously varies from big restaurants and big hotels. Let's take an average, say $7, okay? But anyway, $7 is like food, drink can be like 2.5, 1.5, $3 mostly. Dessert is like $3 to $2, okay? Anyway, let's say our whole meal came to $15, whatever you ordered, okay? I don't know what you guys like to order. It came to $15. Now, if you do that to a 9,000 to $1 ratio, not ratio, like rate, okay? That equals 135,000. 135,000 Somaliland shillings. That equals $15 if your rate is $1 to 9,000 shillings, right? Now, what it should really be, if it's at 8.4, so 8,400 shillings, it should be 126,750. So that's 126,750. Okay? Now, if you do the difference, take away, that equals 8,250,000 shillings. They're charging you more than what the bank rate is. Okay? What does that mean? That's nearly $1. If you think about it, that's nearly $1. So every time you go to these places, you're paying for food if their rate is at 9,000. If their rate is at 9,000, by the way, I'm not saying all hotels, I'm not saying all places. The people that charge you at 9,000, $1 equals 9,000 Somaliland shillings. You're basically paying $1 for every meal kind of you go for if it's around $15. All right, guys? So that's what I wanted to tell you now. Stay for the next point. Trust me, the next point you want to stay for that. But make sure, guys, smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button because there's a lot of other videos I'm going to be doing that's going to help you. If you're coming here, if you're planning to come here, or if you know people who are coming here, you want to share this with them. All right, guys? Make sure you share it, right? So let's get the next one. This is the final point I'm going to tell you, guys. This is what you need to watch out, all right? When you're here in Somaliland, so you don't get tricked in Somaliland. All right, guys. But oh, hang on, I forgot something downstairs. I'll just be back. Let me just get something. All right, guys. That's what you need to do. All right. I'm gonna tell you how you could do that over here and what to look for. Okay. So now, if you're gonna go to anywhere, all right. Now I'm telling you, it's gonna be ice cream place does this, shops do this a lot, there's a lot of places that do it, so I can't tell a specific place. It's not like one certain category does it, okay? But this is how you need to watch out. All right, so now first of all, if you don't want to get ripped off, okay, you know $1 does not equal 10,000 shillings. It equals right now, as I explained to you, 8,400 shillings at the current rate, okay? So this is how to know you're being tricked. All right, so if they go to you, you buy ice cream or you buy something and they go to you, it's $2, okay, and then you're like, okay, $2. Some of you actually, first of all, some of you from diaspora are going to be carrying dollars. You're exchanging your rate, which is francs, pounds, Australian dollar, whatever you're exchanging, you're gonna have dollars, most of you, okay? So you can pay $2 is $2. But for the people who have come here, who live here, this is something that you need to listen to as well. is, so if they tell you $2 and then you go, okay, but I want to pay in ZAD, which is a mobile service, or I want to pay in shillings. So how much is it? They're gonna tell you it's 20,000 shillings. Ding, 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 ding. Wrong answer. It shouldn't be that price, okay? That's when you know you're getting ripped off, all right, guys? So whatever it is, could be, if they say it's $1 and then they tell you it's 10,000 shillings, wrong. $2, 20,000, $3, 30,000, $4, you get it. If they tell you it's 1.5, for example, dollars, and they tell you it's 15,000, wrong again, okay, guys? So that's just a thing to look out. Yeah, so if you want to fight, you can fight. If you want to just pay for it, you can pay for it. Whatever you guys want to do, that's up to you, but that's something you have to watch out. Another thing you have to watch out, guys, that not a lot of big places do it because you can just go sick at them, all right? It's actually the small corner shops, okay? What the small corner shops do is you buy off them. Wait, hang on, how does it work again? You buy off them at, you buy off them at like 10,000 or 9,000, okay, for $1. So let's say you buy a biscuit or whatever, it's $1. They'll charge you 10,000 shillings or 9,000 shillings, okay? But then if you give them $2 or if you give them extra, okay, the change they give you, they're gonna give it to you at a rate at 8.4, okay? So they're shortchanging you, all right? These are, again, a lot of corner shops. It's not the big places. Just watch out in the corner shops. Just be aware of your money, all right, guys? Again, for the diasporas coming from abroad, 50 cent, 1 nickel, whatever you guys call it in America, that's not a big deal for you guys, but it's something that adds up, and you're only here for a month. So this is, maybe I'm talking to more people, the diasporas who live here, who are not sure. Like, I didn't know this. I had to learn. And now I've learned the hard way. I don't want you guys to get into the same situation. Again, it's very small money, but it does add up. For example, if, like I said to you, when they're talking about $15, they're charging an extra $1 per $15. Anyway, think about it, guys. Be street savvy, like they say, or be, you know, smart. And yeah, thanks so much for watching this. All right, guys, let me know in the comments down below, like, which point you resonated with, which one did you like, did you want to know more about it? You know where to, guys. Hit me up on my Instagram, okay? DM me, message me. If you're here, say what's up. If you see me in Sultan, most of the time I'm there, in Makkah, wherever. I just said names of places, and this is not a sponsored video, but anyway, those are the places that I am most of the time. Those are where actually everyone is, to be honest. So yeah, thank you so much. Merci, merci. By the way, guys, yeah, I'm gonna tell you. So you probably know from my Instagram, I have been nominated for the Somaliland Awards 2019. Thank you for everyone who voted for me. If you didn't vote for me, it's cool. You still have another chance to vote for me. So I have got to the final stage. The final stage is like 3 or 4 people left. And then this is the person who wins that gets the actual trophy, the Somaliland Awards. So it would mean a lot to me if you guys can support me. Right now, I might not have the link from this day, because by the time I edit and everything, the link might come out. So I might put it down below. But I'll let you guys know. Make sure to stay up to date on my Instagram. That's where I put a lot of stories about Hargeisa. And yeah, I'm going to go sign out because I've done a lot of talking. Hope you guys enjoyed this, like, switch up and stuff. Let me know in the comments down below. If you did like this, put a KO. Peace, blessings. Ski ski, we out.